Alright, when I give you the sentence, I will read the sentence twice. You will pound it and then you will write it. Ready? Watch him as he fishes. Watch him as he fishes. Pound.
Watch him as he fishes.
Good job, write it. Alright, number 2 is, we went to get a malt at the mall. We went, wrong. Number 2 is, did you wind your watch? Did you wind your watch? Ready, pound.
Did you wind your watch?
If you want to take the 5-year shot, please let me know ASAP. Thank you.
Good job. I know the intercom interrupted us, but that's okay. Will you read these sentences?
Watch him as he fishes. Did you wind your watch?
Good job. Thank you so much. You may go have a seat.